and I'm looking like a freaking raccoon. But that's what those ladies in the 20s look like freaking raccoons. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elaina. I usually do reviews and tutorials of cheap and expensive makeup from AliExpress, Amazon, drugstore, dollar store, you name it. And I'll pass the savings to you guys by being your guinea pig. In this video, as you can see, something weird is going on, because it is. I'm going to the 1920s party that's going on in my building. I'm in downtown LA and we're having a building party. It's our first time. We just moved from New York a few months ago, so I'm going downstairs to party from 6 to 10. Well, I'm already late, so it's gonna be mostly like from 7 to 10. So the Great Gatsby is the theme, and I got my costume on Amazon and some of the accessories are mine. And this is going to be a tutorial of this makeup that I created. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I kind of went with the vibe of 1920s. I got absolutely no highlight. So enough talking. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. If you enjoy this type of tutorials and makeup looks, check out my other videos in my channel. I've got plenty of different looks. And subscribe and ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get right into this video. So I don't know how many of you are going to need the tutorial like this. I'll try to make it as short as possible because I really have this party in like 30 minutes, but it's from 6 to 10 p.m. and it's in my building, so all I have to do is go downstairs to the pool area. But of course it's gonna take me forever. So this is a 1920s makeup tutorial, and hi, I'm Elaina. I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I just googled. I googled schmoogled everything, so what I googled you can google as well, so we're just gonna go with it. So if you're invited to something like this for your New Year's annual party, that seems to be a thing, I think. So I looked up 1920s. So this is supposed to be a very pale skin, women were natural, everything was powdered down, there was no highlighters. Oh, there's no highlighters? What? I'm shook. I want highlighters. But you can't. This is very authentic. I'm trying to keep it as authentic as possible. So I blocked out my eyebrows. Excuse me, my husband is texting me. Never mind, he'll wait. So this is gonna be a different shape. I have almost no eyebrow hair. If you never watched me, I have thyroid disorder, so I usually use L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. And I have old faded tattoos, so I covered it as much as possible. Oh, my husband needs to calm down. He's traveling, so I'm going to the party alone. So I'm as light as possible. I have no eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with eyeshadow because this is a smoky look, and I'm gonna go with what I feel like. In many 20s, if you look at the pictures, women had those smoky eyes and really thin eyebrows, kind of like pointed up, not down, and the edges are going down this way. So I'm gonna start with the eyeline. Oh, I'm creasing. Well, that doesn't matter. We'll fix that. So I'm just gonna go messy because this is supposed to be. Let me zoom in. This is supposed to be a smoky eye. I rarely do all black because I like color, but since this is a 1920s look, we're going to just be messy. And probably gonna be no winged eyeliner because that was not a thing. And I'm not going with the black into my waterline because my eyes just shut down and I hate it. So I put light pencil in my waterline instead. And we're just going kind of like close to my lash line. So it's just kind of a overall blackness around the eye. And I'm gonna use Steady Beauty palette for this because this palette adds a lot of nice blacks and this is gonna be the look, all black. Very simple. That is my husband as well. Dang it. He just checked into a hotel. He was supposed to go to the party with me. He's a pilot, so they call him, he has to go. So the good thing, I know the girls from the Legion office, so we're gonna have a girls party. So let me just take a medium-sized brush and just gonna go ham. I'm gonna start with a matte memory, the black one. You guys seen this palette, so we're gonna work mostly with this. Maybe I'll go with some of the whites just to add a little dimension, but it's supposed to be black, so I want to try to keep it authentic and not too modernized because I want to look like I stepped out of the 20s. And I think I want to go with the low lash line immediately with a small brush, and I want to go with the sequin black, and that has a little bit of shimmer. Do you guys watch drama channels? I'll leave with the tea. That was coffee actually. I don't like tea. But anyway, someone just gets too crazy. Drama channels have been fighting with each other lately. And I'm like, come on guys, it's just getting too ugly. I like just fun, you know, when they make fun of each other, just like light-headed stuff, light-hearted stuff. But when they start coming for each other, I'm like, come on, people, let's not do that. I'm gonna go with sequin and put some more of sequin up in here. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna see what I like, what I don't like, and we're gonna go from there. I might want to put a little bit of did they use glitter in 1920s? I don't think so. I would love to use some glitter though. I'm just itching to use some black glitter with this look. Maybe I will. Yeah, this definitely needs a little bit something because it's just too flat. So I'll use the flat brush and let's see what I can do with metallic black. Just the metallic first. And see, just pop it here for extra dimension. Yeah, the shape is supposed to be rounded. Women had those kind of like a rounded smoky look, so I think I'm gonna go bigger fluffy brush and I'm gonna go with aura. Let's do sequin aura. It's very light, but I kind of want to buff this out. So I can do the brow highlight. I just realized there's no highlight. I should just stop thinking about highlighting everything. I can't even contour and I can't use highlight, so I guess just blush. Women used a lot of rouge blush in the 20s. Alright, so now it's kind of getting a little smoky here. Let me go with my finger. I don't think I want metallic black, black glitter. I think I want aura white glitter because it's just so black. I just want to add a little bit of this. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted, a little reflection. If I can't have highlight, at least I'll have a little glitter. Yes, yes, that's what I wanted. Alright, so I'll keep blending and I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back with the blended look and we'll do the eyebrows. So I somewhat blended it, maybe not completely perfectly, but for now I'm just gonna work with this and I'm looking like a freaking raccoon. But that's what those ladies in the 20s look like freaking raccoons. So now we're gonna go with the eyebrow. So this is not my regular eyebrow, so I'm gonna start to do kind of surprise look, like eyebrows up. So I'll just use cheap pencil, Wet n Wild eyeliner and the color taupe. I used to use this like legit for eyebrows, but So eyebrows are thin, so I can't go too crazy with this. So now I'm gonna draw a line straight down like this. And the lines used to be all the way down low. Not like where they end now, but like all the way down. So I'm gonna draw it down. So it's kind of gonna have this doe eye look. I don't think they had feathery eyebrows or feathery anything. So now I can emphasize this eyebrow with a little darker pencil. I think they had just straight up lines in 1920s. They didn't really do like individual hairs. So I need to try. I think what I'm gonna do now is get some concealer brush and try to lighten up underneath to make it even a little more thin and pronounced, so it kind of looks like, you know, kind of a weird, stupid look. I'm not into it, but it's theme makeup, so let me clean this up and I'll be right back. I'll try to do the other one the same way and we'll see what happens. So I finished the eye blend. I think I kind of like this. I think the eyebrows, something's off about the eyebrows, but I can't really change my bone structure, so I wanted them to point up a little more, but I think it's good enough. I pointed them down low enough. If I feel like I might draw them a little lower, I don't know. But the eyes, I added the lashes, and I added some more eyeliner to cover up the lash band because the lash band was showing. And my lips are white out. Whited out because I wanted to change my lip shape. Because 20s they did the pronounced cupid bow and they did like a kind of a rounded mouth. So let's do the blush. Because I got no contour on. Scandal, no contour. So it's gonna be matte. Trying to spot clean my brush, make sure there is no glitter or no shine on it, so it's clean. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild color icon, and this is a color, I'm not sure what color that is, pearlescent pink, but there is no shimmer in it. So let me just try a little bit. So women pointed, kind of put the blush in circles. I mean, to make the cheeks round, not like sucked in. It goes against all I like. I kind of gotta drag it a little bit toward my temple. I just can't do the blush on the top of my cheek. It just looks ridiculous. And I think that should be it. That is painful. I can't do contour and I cannot do highlight. Ah! And I'm using this the first time. I hope it doesn't suck because I've never used this before. Wet n Wild, and this is a liquid lipstick. I believe it's called Liquid Catsuit, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Liquid Catsuit. And the color is 931B Video Vixen. So this is like a really dark red, and I think that's what the theme should be. Kind of smells like chemicals, but whatever. I hope it doesn't suck because I'm gonna be speaking with people and having snacks and wine. I don't want to look like I'm cracking. Ooh, it's dark. I think it's what it should be like. So I'm trying to make the shape more rounded and less out, but more like a round. And I'm gonna try to use this brush to create this cupid bow. I have already cupid bow naturally. I kind of don't like cupid bow. I don't know what you guys think. I like kind of rounded look, but we go in with the theme. I'm already screwing up. This is not good. I'm gonna try to use the lip liner. Alright, I should have used lip liner. I have a feeling I'll have to clean it up with some concealer, so it's really neat. I think I like this formula. It's really neat. It does not crack. This is like the best liquid lipstick formula I've tried so far, recently. And that's cheap. That's Wet n Wild. Wow, look at that. It does not crack. Ooh, I need to go back and buy more of these in my color. And I still need to put the outfit on and do something with my hair. It curled a little bit. think I'm gonna put it over my ears and pull it back, like a kind of a 1920 style. So I'll let you put my whole outfit on. I'll do the hair, put the jewelry on, and then I'll show the final look. And I'll have to hurry up and go downstairs because I'm 30 minutes late already. But it's a 4-hour party, so whatever. I'll be right back. Hi. Okay, my darlings. It took me so long to get ready. My camera froze, my software froze, everything froze. So I'm glad I still have the battery left. I spent my sweet time dressing. So this is my final look. You can see the back of my head. I have a little bit of feather. This I just kind of fabricated myself. I just put the necklace on with 2 bobby pins. The earrings came with a costume. This is Amazon, people. 48 bucks. It came with a dress with fishnets. I'm gonna do a little full length video, just a little bit with my cell phone later. And came with a necklace. The bracelet is mine. I think the bracelet didn't come. I mean, when you order on Amazon, you get some shitsy sometimes. So the earrings, the dress, the necklace was an Amazon gloves. I need my hand for my phone because it won't operate with the glove on. So this is it. That's eye look. Zoom in. I'm totally feeling the 1920s. I love it. I better go down. I'm an hour late. So let me zoom out. So this is it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this mini weird tutorial. If you guys have a costume party for New Year's and you want to come as a 1920s flapper or this is more like a sophisticated style. You'll see the dress is long, so it's nice. So leave me a comment below. Maybe it'll help somebody, maybe you'll get the ideas. I'm not an expert of 1920s, I'm just kind of like going with the vibe. And this is it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave me a comment below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.